Yan, yan. Nabibigyan lang tayo. Tawid. Lapis na, tara. Dab. Tingin ka. Habang nag-video. Ito naman. Nakabidyo na. Gala-gala po. Yellow. Tignan mo rin yung view.
Ay, may yellow naman sa view. Kita yung yellow. Kita.
Masyado. Ano? Ano? Ate ka? Ano to? Bawal yung ano?
Yun naman. Bawal ng camera.
This honey is like a natural antiseptic for our body, and like a medicinal one we have a flu and bronchitis fever, my dear. Все вообще, да?
It's like the one in
Raspberry first honey. Yes.
Hello mga idol. Dito tayo ngayon sa ang init dito, sobra. Tayo sa yan, puro yelo. Pero kaya pa yung lamig. Kaya pa yung lamig.
Lab, sana tayo dyan. Ayan.
Alright, my people, get closer to me, please. So, if we plan everything properly, everything will be good. And a couple of you mentioned the cable car yesterday, right? Yeah. So let's do like that. I know one hit that nobody does. So all the fun should can be by one. All right.
Automatic only.
Yes.
This one nothing, huh? Nothing just
Push slow, slow. Okay.
or
Axel. Push
ah,
slow, slow.
this one only, huh? This one nothing, huh? Only this, slow, slow. Ito kami sa Georgia, sa Godauri. Nakapag motor skiing na kami kanina. Ngayon naman mag-huskies kami. Sasakay kami sa aso na hihilahin ka sa yelo. So subukan namin. So ito kami ngayon. 0 degrees ngayon dito, negative. Pero mataas ang sigat ng araw. So nice to meet you. So sarap dito. Sigurado mong i-enjoy kayo.
Please be careful on the road. Давай, клик, давай.
Enjoy, love. Oh, where are you going?
Давай, Клик, давай. Go, давай, go. Давай, давай. You want photos here? Woo!
Yeah.
Давай. Клик, давай. Давай.
Yeah, that's it. Eyes? Yes. Cutie! Nag-enjoy ka sa
Lamig!
Nice. No?
Yes!
Enjoy.
Kami!
Look at the view. So
We're on the way.
you can open your eyes now. We're not too high. Look at that. Look up.
Look down.
Up. No. She should look up because she doesn't want to see the see. Look at the view. You need to look up.
Pero maano yung aming nasa
Taas pala, no? Marami.
isa lang, oh. Tapos.
Oo. clapping, not screaming.
Okay.
At least 3 ladies, no?
Okay. Our 3 musketeers. Oh yeah, it's them.
Yes, there's 3 ladies. Now you can see it. We're not too high.
I'll close my eyes again because of this one.
What? Which one?
We're going down.
No, we're not. Look up.
No, there's like a mountain here.
Yeah, there is a mountain. Look, just look the mountain.
I think when we are descending, then it's kind of jazz. Woo! When we get to the poles.
Muna magkape. Hoy! Okay. Huwag ka lang atras.
Rosa na yung daliri ko. Kailangan makatotohanan.
Teka.
Para lang ba sa ating dalawa to? Lava, anong masasabi mo sa food mo?
Masyadong maliit. Maliit pala. Laki. Hindi na mauubos siya.
Kaya nga, super laki.